Hello, welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm quickly going to review a Shopify theme called Brava. So let's have a look. So this theme is today's top three amongst the top three recommendations, basically almost like a featured theme on Shopify themes. And this is right here, Brava. This is available in 3 color variant, so you can go ahead and preview the theme. So I'm going to view the demo store, and at the same time also going to add this to my Shopify admin. So to add it or to find it, you simply go to Shopify admin, scroll down under themes, under online store sales channel, and then click on visit theme store, and here you can see the third one, or if you're watching it later you can click here and just type Brava. Okay, so I do not own this theme. This is available for everybody on themes.shopify.com. You can purchase it, okay, or if you are already using it, then perfectly fine. Okay, so here is the Brava theme, and this seems to be, you can see, layout are clearly distinguishable from one on the page from other elements or sections on the page. So this is almost clear layout which you can obviously customize. I'm talking about the background color and all of those. So you can see it is basically using video instead of images on the very top, and there are 3 uh, presets available for you in 3 colors. Depending on your specific requirement, you can obviously go ahead and pick up the right preset for your store. You can see, and this seems to be basically uh, a mobile first design theme, and obviously it doesn't go a very, you can say, organized way on the desktop, but if you go on to the small screen, you can see it is okay. It looks okay. You can see this obviously won't look better on the desktop or any bigger screen. It could be a tablet. Today people use. Also, you can see, so yeah, this theme looks okay, but still it requires attention. So let me go ahead and add this theme to my store, and then we can come back and have a look at this theme. So if your target audience is basically on small devices, this theme could be okay. So this is a home page. Sections are clearly distinguishable from other sections or surrounding sections. You can see this is also a new feature that I see here, but doesn't, it should have an image. Doesn't make any sense for new visitors, but if it is available on the product template as in kind of recommendation, product recommendation or similar product, that would be great. So what did I do? Okay, so this section is sticky, and if you have more than one images, it's going to scroll up, and then once you reach it there, Once you reach there, it's going to take you to the next section. But it's a good feature, but not designed properly. Okay, so here you see what. Okay, so this seems to be using some CSS framework. It could be Bootstrap or similar. Okay, because you see this is how it looks. Okay. What is the other thing I was saying? Yeah, so if you click, what happens? Okay, right, so the color swatch is working, and yeah, size, the ident picker is also working. Free shipping to all orders, that's great. And what is this size guide? Okay, great. So good for clothing stores. Buy it now. What happens when you click to the cart? Okay, so it opens on the basically whole page and then suggest. This is a not very good tactics to recommend product when somebody is on the cart. Okay, but I see this trend is basically increasing on lots of themes, but this doesn't appear on small device. Okay, so when somebody is on the cart, you do not want to distract them. You simply want them to purchase as soon as possible. Okay, so let's move back. Okay, so I basically went back to the Shopify theme. Now we are basically previewing this theme. So here what I was trying to do, let's go on to where's the navigation, by the way? Okay, so is this a navigation? No. So clearly it's missing the navigation. We have few stuff here. Threads powered by Shopify 23. Basically this theme is missing a navigation bar. Look at that. I'm not sure if it's there. No, it isn't. Okay, so what happens when you click on here? This is basically a product recommendation. This is completely different approach of creating a theme without the navigation. That's awesome. Something new. But you have the logo and a big search bar. Okay, so let's quickly go back to my admin and preview this theme in the customizer. So basically, let's see how it looks on the customizer. So I'm just loading this themes, and this theme Brava was added successfully. A free trial unless you publish it. So go ahead and click on customize, and this is how it looks. Slightly different. This is pair with text and slide. So there's no menu, guys. No menu. Auto rotate slide. This gives you option. Change slide every 5 seconds. Anyway, this store is designed and lay out perfectly but missing. Okay, so here we have the menu, guys. This is completely mysterious, you can see. uh, isn't that confusing? So where's the menu? Something is added to my cart. Huh, completely. Okay, different experience here on this theme, Shopify theme, but this is the menu. Okay, so let's see how the blog looks. There's nothing on here. Pages, shouldn't it be working? Okay, basically okay, this is how it looks. Slightly different experience on this theme. I don't know. This is my catalogs page. This is obviously designed for small devices. And here you see when you go on, okay, this products page, you can see this is a, it's not changing, it's not collection. Now it changed. Okay, here we go. It picks up these things from my store, so that's great. Okay, this also picks up a lot of stuff that I had on my Dawn thing. That's great. Sections. Search. What search? This is my footer. Go to home page, and this is how it looks by default, and this is the menu. Let's check the clients section. Anyway, pages are loading faster. Go to collections. Default, not collections, it's one. Oh yeah, it's collections. Let's see. But what if I go to collections list? Obviously, it's designed for mobile devices. We see here. Okay, guys. Anyway, this obviously requires more attention. And what else we have here? You definitely want to have a look at the cards. And let's see what we have under. Show on the sale label at percentage. Okay, I can enable but enable color swatches. You can enable color swatches right from the theme settings. Variant image if you have already uploaded. Favicon animation. A preloader, if you saw, that's a preloader, basically a text just goes away across the screen. You can change the font, pop-up, enable email pop-up, only on home page, for only visitors. You don't want only who is already subscriber, is your customer. But enable color swatches, enable variant image. That's the card, sorry, product card, and then a checkout, almost like this. So this is default for for all the themes. You can obviously add custom CSS. Okay guys, so this is the cart, and now you have this email pop-up. And now let's move back to checkout. This is not managed by theme, this is managed by Shopify. So I think this theme Brava is built specifically for mobile devices. So if you are only targeting mobile devices, this theme could be good for you. Otherwise, if you have mixed, obviously B2C customers and B2B customers are basically shop owner merchants would not prefer using this Brava theme because B2B clients are on desktop mostly. Okay, and they are informed buyer and want to have a closer look at the products before purchasing. So this is what we have here. Okay, what is sort by? It comes from the right, so it's a basically mobile first design experience that you see here. Good approach. Awesome. Alright guys, so that was it for this video. If you have any questions, suggestion, please leave in the comment. This was Brava theme, which is specifically built and designed for smartphone and smaller devices. It could be a tablet as well. So please leave your comment if you have any questions, suggestion, and how are you going to use the theme if at all. Thank you so much. Bye for now.